Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Metropolis LT Case for the S25 Ultra. Yes, I need to give a shout out to UAG for sending this case out to me for review. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in my reviews, and make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Also, how are the buttons? How easy is the pen to get out? The overall fit? Does it add bulk? How strong is the magnet? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from them. It says 18 feet of drop tested built-in magnet. It has this weird little logo or design on there. That's pretty cool. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. I have reviewed other cases from UAG for the S25 Ultra, so go check out my playlist. You will see that on there. Bam. Little honeycomb pattern on the inside. Now, they do a little bit different with the cutout. They have one precise cutout and then like a weird shape at the top. I don't know why they couldn't make it all precise like that, but now you do get camera protection and lens protection there. Also, you have lip protection all the way around. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is easy to get out. Everything lines up at the top too. Bam. Let's see how the buttons are. Power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers, nice and easy to press. You can hear them. And this one does not add bulk. This is not one of their bulky case lineups, but you do have corner protection. Look at it. But it's not bulky, and it doesn't feel like it's making the phone weigh any more than what it is. Bam. I like that little design on there. You have urban armored gear. Man. Now, the overall fit, not bad. Same thing on the sides. They all come back. And then trying to, look, see? Oh. Let's see if we get the snap. Man, this is something else to get off. Oh, y'all heard that too? So, there's a good snap. So again, if you drop in your phone, it's not going to sit there and pop out. Now, I don't know how many more times I can drop this phone. This phone has been dropped a lot, and it's putting dents in my table here. So, I love dropping it though, because I love testing these cases out. I switch out cases a lot. If y'all haven't seen my top 5 case, go watch that video too. Bam. What y'all think about that camera cutout? Y'all let me know in the comments. I like the more precise, but this is not bad. At least one is there. And like I said, you have that camera protection. Let's see how strong the magnet is. UAG for the S25 Ultra has been really good with the magnet. Yeah, it's strong. And then, oh yeah, let's make sure, because some people are like, oh, you don't even test. Make sure it can wireless charge, but bam, it is charging, as you can tell. And then with their own battery pack, there you go. It does cover up that camera, but it works great with that battery pack too. Also, with a ring, yeah, see, you have to really shake this thing to get it off. So the magnet is strong on here. So let's just recap and go over it. It checks off a lot of boxes for you. The magnet is strong on here. You get camera protection. You also get that lip protection or lay down protection. Everything lines up at the top, the bottom. The overall fit is really good on here. Also, it has that protection, but doesn't add bulk to your phone. So again, it checks off a lot of boxes that you look for when you're trying to pick up a case. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.